Assalamu alaikum. Today I am gonna tell you the complete history of Pakistan resolution. As you all know that on 23rd March 1940, Pakistan resolution was passed. But what was this resolution and why and how it played an important role in the creation of Pakistan and why this resolution is important? All this is known to very few people from all of you. All India Muslim League organized a session on 23rd March 1940, due to which there was a lot of excitement in residents of Lahore and all Muslims. This session was to be held at Minto Park, Lahore, which was headed by the President of All India Muslim League and founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. First of all, we have to understand why there was a need for Pakistan resolution. Pakistan resolution was presented by Maulvi A.K. Fazlul Haq. He is also known as Sher-e-Bengal. At first, Quaid-e-Azam presented his presidential address, in which he addressed about the past political events and independence. As you all know, that Sir Syed Ahmad Khan already presented two-nation theory in past, and Allama Iqbal also demanded for a separate homeland. And then in 1933, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali suggested the name Pakistan for the homeland of Muslims. But at that time, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was not interested on all these demands, because at that time it was very important for subcontinent to get freedom from Britishers. But after that, when there was a plan for the separation of subcontinent, at that time leaders of Muslim League demanded separate homeland for Muslims. Session which was held at Lahore on 23rd March 1940 at Minto Park, Maulvi A.K. Fazlul Haq, who was the Chief Minister of Bengal, presented a resolution in which, through addressing Muslims, he realized them why separate homeland is necessary. 23rd March 1940 was the day when dream of Allama Iqbal got an interpretation and Muslim got the inspiration for getting a separate nation. But we have to thank to the Hindu and British leaders and journalists who gave the name Pakistan Resolution to Lahore Resolution. Something happened like that. Muslims named the session as Lahore Resolution, but due to Hindu and British journalists, it transformed into Pakistan Resolution. From the very next day of the session, article published in the newspaper making fun of Muslims that now these people will demand and create a separate homeland and blah blah blah, and also making fun for the name Pakistan suggested by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. And through all these, the movement of separate homeland transformed into Pakistan movement, and finally, after 7 years of struggle, Muslims got success in getting Pakistan. This movement is not as simple as my words. During this movement, Muslims lost so many lives and tolerate lot of cruelty, but none of these things distract them from achieving their goal. The day of 23rd March played an important role in the creation of Pakistan, because this day provides a clear view of Pakistan movement. Before this, there were only talks and sessions. Just like these days, we are thinking that we will do this and that, but can't do nothing. And once we start anything, something can happen. Same like that, this day played a role. Every year, 23rd March is celebrated with full zeal and patriotism. Different events are organized and also operate at Wagah Badr and Shakar-Pariyan, Islamabad. I hope you people enjoyed this video. Let's meet in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Proud to be a Pakistani. Pakistan Zindabad.